Good morning to one and all. I am Sudha Bagupta, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science. My topic, Open Source Technologies, PHP. Introduction to PHP. PHP means, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, is a widely used programming language that is specially designed for web development. It is a server-side scripting language, which means the PHP code is executed on the server before sending to the client web browser. PHP can be embedded directly into HTML code, allowing dynamic and interactive web pages to be created. PHP is known for its simplicity and make use of popular choice among the developers. It has a vast collection of built-in functions and libraries, which greatly specifies the task of web development. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP support many databases: MySQL, Informix, Oracle, Sybase, Solid, PostgreSQL, Generic, Open Database, etc. PHP is open source software. PHP is free to download and use. PHP runs on different platforms: Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today: Apache, IIS, etc. PHP is free to download from the official sources. PHP is easy to learn and run efficiently on the server side. PHP supports a wide range of databases, including MySQL, creating database-driven website. Lot of commands to output HTML. PHP page contains HTML with embedded code that does something. Like next slide, it output hi, I am PHP. In back, next slide we are using a program. PHP code is enclosed in special start and end processor instruction. PHP open tag and end tag allow the jump into out of the PHP code. PHP program starting. This is a basic HTML program, HTML code for using PHP. HTML head title, we given the example head body. We close the head tag. After that we are using the body tag. In body tag we are using a PHP code. PHP open tag and close tag. The angular bracket using question mark PHP tag. Then question mark angular bracket will be closed. It is must to using in a PHP code. In echo statement we print the messages. Then we close the body of the HTML tag. PHP code is executed on the server side, generating the HTML, sent it to the client. The client will receive the result of running that script code. In the page on server, the HTML tag, head tag, body tag, in echo, in PHP open tag, echo, we print a break statement, echo, we using text message. After that, body tag closing, HTML closing, then the message will be displayed in browser. PHP getting started. On Windows, you can download it and install WAMP. WAMP is a main process to see the output. With one installation and you get the Apache web server, database server and PHP. This is a PHP code. Just a simple code only. We are executing the text message. Next topic, variables. Variables. What is meant by variable? Variable, we are using a variable, PHP variable to store a data and manipulate a data. They are named to contain the whole values, which is a different data types are also used. In variables, we are using some content. Variables, there are certain rules for variables. Variables start with $sign followed by the name of variable. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore only. The example shown in the slide. Variable name are case sensitive. $sign is must to declaring a variable. They are declaring two different variables. Next, user defined variables. PHP variable name must start with underscore or a alphabet character. Underscore start most predefined PHP variables. So, start user defined variables with alphanumeric character is a good idea. PHP variable were once always assigned by a value or by reference. You define a variable prefacing the variable name with a symbol of $sign. Variable may be scalar or compound. The difference between the scalar and compound, variable is scalar variable can hold one thing at a time, where the compound variable may hold more than one thing. When you define assigning a value to a variable in one step, this is called declaring a variable. We can assign the variable by reference to other variables. Assignment by the value is done during a binary assignment operator, which is an equal symbol between two operands. The left operand is the target variable and the right operand is the source value for reference. Source value of reference. Assignment statements are typically terminated by the semicolon to complete the expression. We can assign by a reference using the combination of assignment operator and ampersand. Preceding the source variable like variable name. Next topic, operators. Operators. Operators are used to perform the operations on variable and values. PHP divides the operators into the following groups. They are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment or decrement operator, logic operator, string operator, and array operators. Arithmetic operator, we are using arithmetic operator numerical values to perform the common arithmetic operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulo, etc. In addition, we are using some example slides. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, exponentiation. Assignment operator. The assignment operator is used to the numeric value to write a value to a variable. The basic assignment operator in PHP is equal. It means the left operand gets set of values. The assignment expressions on the right. Comparison operator used to comparing the two values, number or string. We find out the operand name, example and result. Equal operator we use it, return the true if x is equal to y. Same identical operators also using. Identical operator we use return true if x is equal to y, then they are same type. Not equal symbol we using return true if x is not equal to y. Identical, not identical operator return true if x is not equal to y or they are not the same type. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, we are using this comparison operator. Increment and decrement operator, we are using a pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment and post-decrement. Increment operator, increment x by 1, then return